भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भजो रे भाई गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भजो रे भाई गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भजो रे भाई भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भजो रे भाई गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भजो रे भाई गोविन्दं तीनों लोकों में एक ही कष्टी गुरु कृपाले कर तू भक्ति संतन चरणन बैठ जरूर मांग खजाना चरणन धूल उठ जाग अंजलि अखियाँ खोल सब है पानी गोविंद बोल भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भजो रे भाई गोविन्दं भजो रे भाई गोविन्दं पत्थरों को पार उतारे तारणहार तुरंत वो तारे संतन चरणन का ले सहारा चक्कर 84 से छूट है प्यारा उठ जाग अंजलि अखियाँ खोल सब है पानी गोविंद बोल भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भजो रे भाई गोविन्दं भजो रे भाई गोविन्दं भजो रे भाई गोविन्दं
Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter the 12th, shlokas 13 to 20, translated from the original Sanskrit into English rhymed verse by Gurudev Sadhu Vaswani. The Blessed Lord said, "Who hateth none, from self is free, in pleasure pain has poised mind, and is compassionate and kind. My best beloved saint is he, who dedicateth unto me his mind and reason, is content, controlled, his life still in me blent. My best beloved saint is he, who harms no bird nor beast nor flea, and doth not feel disturbed here by any, and is freed of fear. My best beloved saint is he, who nothing wants, doth work for me, yet is from work detached, serene, well balanced, unperplexed and clean. my best beloved saint is he, who fixed in faith and love on me, doth dote on me yet scorneth none, and fruits of labour all doth shun. My best beloved saint is he, who is alike in pain and glee, in fame and shame, in cold and heat, to foe and friend in strength defeat. My best beloved saint is he, who bears blame, praise, is passion free, who homeless is and firm in mind, in silent love who life doth find. My best beloved saint is he. They who this nectar drink of me, and know the law that giveth life, and cling to faith away from strife, my best beloved saint is he. Om Tat Sat. Thus endeth chapter the 12th of the Bhagavad Gita, entitled Bhakti Yoga, or the Yoga of Devotion.
अंधियारे में प्राणपति, महर में तुम मुस्कुराते हो।
नभ के सूरज चांद तारों में तुम ही तुम चमकते हो।
ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे। सुंदर प्यारे प्रभु हमारे, समुद्र से मोती लाते हो।
भक्तों के प्यारे सुंदरता में न्यारे, अद्भुत तेज की ज्योति हो।
ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे। युग युग तेरी ज्योत जागे, हर युग में तेरी लीला पार हो।
कल युग में बदनाम नगारा, ये गिरधारी तुम अति सुंदर हो।
ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे।
अनंत लोक के नाथ तुम हो, कर जोर प्रणाम करता हूँ।
नूरी दर की दासी, दर्शन की प्यासी, तेरा गंगा जल रोज पीता रहूं। ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे। जय जगदीश हरे, 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 जय जगदीश हरे। ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे।
Nuri Granth, page 484, 484. प्रेम की बात नियारी। कहत फकीर प्रेम की बात नियारी, सगल जहान के सूत्रधारी। प्रेम में पुष्प प्याथा चिमकन, प्रेम में मुखरियों पयों मुस्कन। प्रेम में फूल प्याथा फूलिन, प्रेम में वृक्षा प्याथा झूलिन। प्रेम में बिहंथा पहारा, प्रेम में चिमकन सिज चंद्र तारा। प्रेम में नदियां पेयु वहन, प्रेम में संत प्याथा पहन। संत बाणी आए प्रेम जो पानी, पर पिए पिए का दिलड़ी निमाने। जन्म जन्म में प्रेम जी दासी, आहे नूरी निमाणी पल पल प्यासी। आहे नूरी निमाणी पल पल प्यासी।
Unique is the tale of love. Unique is the tale of love, says the ascetic sage. For love holds together the strings of the entire world. Love makes the flowers blossom, and love makes the buds bloom. It is love which makes the flowers flourish, and it is love which makes the trees wave and dance. The mountains stand tall and steadfast because of love, and it is love which makes the sun, the moon, and the stars shine. Because of love flow the rivers, and because of love the saints meditate. The sayings of the saints are the nectar of love, but only a humble heart can partake of that nectar. A slave to love I have been in each and every birth, and ever athirst I am for love, says Nuri Nimani.
सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। जय दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती, पाहि जगन्माता, पाहि जगन्माता। जय दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती, पाहि जगन्माता, पाहि जगन्माता। जय दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती, पाहि जगन्माता, 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 पाहि जगन्माता। जय दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती, पाहि जगन्माता, जय दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती पाहि जगन्माता पाहि जगन्माता ओ पाहि जगन्माता 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 ओ पाहि जगन्माता जय दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती पाहि जगन्माता पाहि जगन्माता पाहि जगन्माता पाहि जगन्माता जय दुर्गा महामाया जगदम्बा जय दुर्गा महामाया जगदम्बा हे माता विश्वमोहिनी देवी जगदम्बा हे माता विश्वमोहिनी देवी जगदम्बा जय दुर्गा महामाया जगदम्बा जय दुर्गा महामाया जगदम्बा आनंद रूपी माता भवानी देवी जगदम्बा आनंद रूपी माता भवानी देवी जगदम्बा जय दुर्गा महामाया जगदम्बा जय दुर्गा महामाया जगदम्बा जय दुर्गा महामाया जगदम्बा जय दुर्गा महामाया जगदम्बा परमेश्वरी जय दुर्गा जगदीश्वरी जय अम्बा जगदीश्वरी जय अम्बा जगदीश्वरी जय अम्बा जय दुर्गा महामाया जगदम्बा महामाया जगदम्बा महामाया जगदम्बा
Krishna
राधे राधे श्याम श्री राधे 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 श्याम गोविंदा गोपाला राधे राधे श्याम गोविंदा गोपाला राधे राधे श्याम। राधे श्याम गोपाल राधे राधे श्याम गोविंद राधे राधे श्याम गोपाल राधे राधे श्याम गोविंद राधे राधे श्याम गोपाल राधे राधे श्याम गोविंद राधे राधे श्याम गोपाल राधे राधे श्याम राधे 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 श्याम राधे राधे श्याम श्री गोपाल राधे राधे श्याम गोविंद राधे राधे श्याम गोपाल राधे राधे श्याम गोविंद राधे राधे श्याम गोपाल राधे राधे श्याम
गोविंद राधे राधे श्याम गोपाल राधे राधे श्याम
राधे 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 श्याम
राधे 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 श्याम
श्री राधे 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 श्याम
राधे 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 श्याम
गोविंदा गोपाला 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 राधे राधे श्याम
राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम 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 राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम
राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम
राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम
राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम
राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम
गोपाला राधे राधे श्याम गोविंदा गोपाला राधे राधे श्याम गोविंदा गोपाला राधे राधे श्याम गोविंदा गोपाला राधे राधे श्याम 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 राधे राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम
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 राधे 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 श्याम।
Meditation on re-engineering attitudes. This meditation is meant to help you tap your most valuable asset, the power of your mind. More precious than silver and gold, greater than any power on earth, is the power of the mind. The mind can make or mar your life depending on whether you control the mind or let the mind control you. The choice is yours. A controlled mind is your best friend, your faithful advisor. It is ever ready to help you and guide you to overcome any situation. It is your invaluable asset. All you need to do is to use it in the right way. Now we shall start the meditation. Step number 1. Let us relax. Relax every muscle. Relax every limb. Relax every nerve of the body. Make it tension-free. Relax your shoulders. Drop all the weight you are carrying with you, all your burdens, all your problems. Now, let the mind be free. Free from the worries of the past, free from fears of the future. Live in the present moment. Be conscious of the now and here. Now and here. Now and here. Now let us sit in a comfortable posture so that we will not need to change it for the next 10 to 15 minutes. Now take in 3 deep breaths. As you breathe deeply, be relaxed. Begin. Breathe in slowly, deeply. Now breathe out slowly, completely. Breathe in slowly, deeply. Breathe out slowly, completely. Breathe in slowly, deeply. Breathe out slowly, completely. We move on to the second step. Now, let us unclutter our minds. Picture the state of your thoughts. They are cluttered with wrong ideas, negative emotions, selfishness, anxiety, hatred, prejudice, envy, jealousy, resentment, ill will. Picture the state of a cluttered attic, a small room crowded with useless stuff, occupying all the available space. Now begin to throw out all the useless stuff. Imagine there is a dumper truck waiting just outside the room, ready to carry away all the useless, unwanted stuff. Pick up the broken chairs, unusable bags and boxes, the stuff that has been lying around for years. Pick up each negative emotion and throw it out. Pick up worry and anxiety. Cast it out. Pick up envy and jealousy. Throw it out. Pick up insecurity and resentment. Throw it out. Pick up all that is useless. Unclutter your mind. Now the room is empty. Actually, it is large and spacious. Light is coming in through the windows. Open the windows. Let the fresh air in. You are now occupying a spacious, well-lit room of your own. Stretch out and feel the space. Feel the uncluttered spaces of your mind. We move on to the third step. The room of the mind is clean. It is vacant. Fill it with things that matter to you. Fill it with beautiful things. Things you will need. Things that will be useful. Things that will be helpful. A room must be swept and washed. The mind must be cleansed and purified with good thoughts, positive thoughts, thoughts of truth and beauty and joy, of faith and freedom and optimism, of health and happiness and harmony, of prosperity and plenty and peace, of creativity and courage and compassion. Say to yourself, I am the architect of my own destiny. I am the builder of my own life. Repeat, I am the architect of my own destiny. I am the builder of my own life. Repeat once more, I am the architect of my own destiny. I am the builder of my own life. God is with me. His power guides me. His wisdom guards me. His love takes care of me. His inspiration fills me through and through. My life is in His hands. I am not alone. God is with me. I am not alone. God is with me. Repeat. I am not alone. God is with me. I am not alone. God is with me. I am not alone. God is with me. There are many things I cannot do on my own, but God and I together can achieve the impossible. When His power is with me, nothing is impossible for me. I shall cling to Him. Never, never, never shall I lose hold of Him. God, 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 do Thou never lose hold of me. You are the mother cat. I am your kitten. On my own I can do nothing, nothing, nothing. That is why when I do something forgetting you, I create a mess. God, God, God be by me, with me, within me, guiding me, guarding me, protecting me, inspiring me, leading me on. Now imagine that as you breathe in, you are inhaling the peace of God. As you breathe in, you are absorbing God's energy, the vitality of the universe. Breathe in positive energy, optimism, vitality. Breathe out peace, contentment, security. Breathe in positive energy, optimism, vitality. Breathe out peace, contentment, security. Breathe in positive energy, optimism, vitality. Breathe out peace, contentment, security. Remember the prophetic words, everything is possible to him who believeth. Now picture the state of the room. Your positive thoughts have washed away the accumulated dust and cobwebs. The room is now sparkling clean. The light streams in through the windows. The fresh and invigorating breeze blows in, freshening the room. Feel the freshness of positive thoughts. Take in the vitality that faith has brought to you. What is there to be negative about? What is there to be afraid of? If God is with you, who can be against you? Be relaxed in body and in mind. Resolve to live and work with a relaxed mind. Resolve to live and work without stress and tension. To work at a moderate, a reasonable speed. Let nothing disturb your inner peace. It is an inviolable law of life that when you expect good will come to you. Therefore, adopt a positive attitude in life. Count your blessings. Be grateful to God for His never-ending mercies, His many gifts. Repeat the words, all was well, all is well, and all will be well, both now and 100 years hence. That is the end of the meditation. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.